Confused by the stock market? Use this great advice. High profits and good investing strategies are the result of learning the complexities of the stock market. Carefully inspect the past performance records and current reputation of any company whose stock you may be interested in purchasing. Continue watching for some excellent advice on stock trading, and you may be looking at your own profit reports very soon. Be prepared to keep the stocks long term. If you only intend to hold on to the stocks for a short amount of time, be prepared for a lot of volatility. The market is extremely difficult to predict in the short term, and you may end up selling the stocks at the wrong time. Holding on to them for the long term is the best way to ensure a profit. Before making your first trades, hone your strategy using a stock market simulator. There are a number of these simulation programs available online that allow you to make trades using virtual money. This is a great way to test your investment strategies or try out a potential portfolio without risking any of your real money. Consider investing in index mutual funds. These funds buy and hold the stocks of the companies that comprise one of the major stock indices. These funds allow you the chance to capitalize on the returns of the overall stock market, without excessive fees or sector risk. These funds also require very little maintenance or attention. Try purchasing some reliable investment management software to use when you invest. They are completely affordable these days, as is a high-speed internet connection. You don't need to spend your time and efforts trying to come up with the best ways to invest when there are programs out there that can help. Understand when to sell your stocks. People normally have one of two reasons for selling their stocks: they need the cash or it's a market reason. Typically, someone will sell their stocks when the market is extremely favorable, and they stand to make a large profit. On the other hand, it may be a case that their risk tolerance level has been reached. At some point, it's a good idea to go with your gut. Don't hang on to stocks because you think you have to, only to regret that decision later. Patience and education are the two factors that can help you to do well in the stock market. You don't need to go to school to learn what it takes to do well in stocks, just keep up with the news and do a little watching online. Remember the tips in this video, so you can start making money today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.